Class, this is Mr. Allen. Going to show you a little bit about skill saw use, and we're going to talk about what to do if you can't get to your table saw, since I can't in my shop right now. And I have a really small one, but I had a friend ask a question about ripping straight lines on plywood. So if you have a straight edge, now this is a piece of metal made for a straight edge, but you could use a straight 2x4 or a straight 1x4. And if you have any types of clamps, you can actually rip a straight line with a table saw. With a skill saw. I'm going to use the quick clamps, but you could even use C-clamps if you had to have them. So what I've done is, I have this scrap piece of wood we're going to use. I determined how far I was going to rip. Now, the blade is actually about 1.5 inches offset. But what I like to do is go ahead and make my mark where I want to do the rip and make just a small cut with the blade. Because I'm a little bit afraid maybe the guard's bent or the blade's bent, and then I take this cut and I measure from the other end and get the exact same distance, okay, as to where my blade is. And then I put my blade back in that cut and I make a mark right here next to the guard. And then I'll transfer that mark down to the other end. And in this case it's 10 1/4. So I'll put that mark right there. Then I'll take my straight edge, and like I said, it could be a board, it could be a 1x4, a 2x4, or if you happen to have a nice set of these straight edges, and you just clamp them in. Now, if you're going to have to rip an 8-foot piece, this is not an 8-foot piece of plywood. If you're going to have to rip an 8-foot piece, you're going to need a third person because your straight edge will bend in the middle going 8 feet. You'll need somebody to hold down on this as you go by, or screw it down. But a 4-foot's going to work just fine. Now, I've already set my blade depth, class. If you're watching, I've got it about 1/8 inch deep from what I'm cutting. Got my safety glasses on, now a perfectly straight cut. No table saw. Might need to use it sometime. Thanks, class. See you later.